Igwe, we are here to ask you, or rather find out something from you.
And what could that be?
There is this girl living in this palace as palace maid. What is that her name?
Her name is Chizoba.
Hey, Chizoba. Who is she? And from which family?
Is that important? Let's talk about other things that are more important.
Your Majesty, it is very, very important we discuss about this because that is why we're here. Your Majesty, we heard that that girl wore the royal crown and nothing happened to her. Who is she? We want to know.
Ichiezimuzo, ignore that girl. She's under severe punishment.
Under severe punishment, you say? Under severe punishment? Your Majesty, let me ask you. Since you were crowned the Igwe of this Ama is a kingdom, have you heard that a woman that is not of the royal blood wore the royal crown and survived it? Answer me. And this girl wore the crown and nothing happened to her, and the only thing you could do is to give her just punishment without finding out who she really is. Who is that girl? We want to know.
Zimuzo, like I said, she is under a severe punishment.
Oh, Your Majesty, at times, I ask myself if you reason well at all. Please don't see this as an insult. I am saying the fact. Yeah? Something like this happened, like I said. All you could do is to just give her punishment without finding out who that girl is. Who is she? We want to know. That is why we are here.
Uche. Let me come in. Igwe. I want you to sheathe your sword. This is not the time to apportion blames or give punishments. This is the time to find out the mystery behind that girl. That girl is very, very mysterious. She wore the royal crown and survived it. We need to find the mystery behind that. Thank you, Igwe.
Well, Your Majesty, you have heard him and you have also heard me. That is why we are here. Find out who that girl is. Please, we have to be on our way. Okay now? Let's go.
I want to know who this lady is. I want to know who this maiden is. Everything about her, I want to know. Want to know everything about her.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Since you started working in this palace as a palace maiden, I've never asked you who you are and where you came from and your family. Can you just talk to me?
Your Majesty, I'm from the family of Uzondo. My father's name is Onyekwere and my mother's name is Uchechi. We are from Urama community. I live here in the village with my grandmother before my friend Nedi told me about a vacancy in the palace. So I picked interest.
Do you in any way related to royalty?
No, Your Majesty. But when I was younger, my grandmother used to call me princess. Especially when I cry, she calls me that as a pet name.
And when she called you that, what do you do?
Nothing, my queen. I will stop crying.
Ah, really? No wonder. Now I know where the dream of becoming the princess came from.
But you mean your grandmother will call you princess, and that always makes you happy?
Yes, Your Majesty.
It's alright. I would like to see your grandmother.
Your Majesty, what for? What is so special about this nonsense story that she just narrated here that will warrant you seeing her grandmother?
Lola, it's none of your business. Can't you see that this issue is causing problem in this kingdom?
How? How?
Like I said, it's not your business. Bianwam, go and tell your grandmother that I want to see her. Did you hear me?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. You can leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, I don't understand you sometimes.
Understand what?
Because he just said that her grandmother used to call her princess. You want to say the grandmother? What for?
I want to get some information
Aye.
from the grandmother.
Chizoba, I don't understand. What is all these questions for? Wetin concern you concern royalty, Kwan? I overheard Okenna warning Adako and Dimma never to give you any punishment in this palace again. What is going on? Or is there something I should know?
What kind of question is that? Nede. Nede, we can gaya. What is it?
I know why I'm asking now, because as I'm looking you like
Iche, I am confused. The Igwe denied the girl. He doesn't know her, according to him. But the chief priest said the Igwe knows the girl. What's going on?
I'm okay now, my son. I suggest we go home first and think of something. Let's go home first.
Iche, could it be that the chief priest lied?
Don't even go there. The gods doesn't lie. I'm sure the Igwe must have known one thing or the other about that girl. But, like I said some time ago, about those girls, I mean the Igwe's daughters, I might be right or wrong. But let's go home first. We must think of something to do.
I want to know who this maiden is. I want to know who this maiden is. Everything about her, I want to know. Everything about her, I want to know. Since the day I saw you, my heart keep on.
Chizoba,
Mama.
you mean the Igwe said I should come to the palace?
Yes, Mama.
Who police were? I hope you have not spoiled or committed anything in that palace.
Mama, I did not spoil anything. Just that since few weeks now, things started happening. I don't even understand.
Like what?
Mama, I remember when I was younger. Anytime I cry and you call me princess, I will stop crying immediately.
Yes, I remember.
Mama, that name is affecting my life now.
Chimu, what do you mean? How can ordinary pet name that I was calling you when you were young will be affecting you, affecting your life now? Tell me, Chizoba.
Mama, it's because I always dreamt of becoming a princess. All the maidens, including Igwe's daughters, they were all bowing and worshipping me.
Chimu, Chizoba, what are you saying? Hope you did not say this thing that you are saying now before the king and the Lolo. Because only this thing alone can even make them sack you from the palace.
Mama, I did not tell them willingly. Something happened. And I told them it was in connection with that man that came and gave you money.
What? Are you serious?
Yes, Mama.
Now tell me, how is the money connected to what we are saying now?
Mama, just go and answer the Igwe to know why he wanted to see you. Very simple.
It's okay, Sabadro. Eat your food. I will go and answer him.
Okay, Mama.
I've heard all you said. Exactly what your granddaughter told me. My question is, why do you always call her princess when she's crying?
Igwe, that's just a pet name. Yes. Whenever she's crying, if I call her that name, princess, she will be happy.
Is your family in any way related to royalty?
No. Like I said before, it's just a pet name. It's just a pet name that anyone can answer, can call anybody. And another thing is that, whatever thing you send someone to the market to buy for you, that's exactly what the person will buy.
I don't understand that adage. Can you explain it further?
Igwe, like you just said now, it's just an adage.
It's okay. I'm done with this discussion. I think I've heard all I expect to hear from you.
It's okay, my king.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I'll be on my way now.
It's all right.
It's okay.
I don't understand. How can the chief priest say I know that girl? I've lived all my life in the city till I became the king of Aman's kingdom. Then I came back to the village. Iche, you know what I'm talking about. I don't know that girl from anywhere.
Your Majesty, take some time to think. Maybe you will remember something. Yes.
Iche, there is nothing to think about it. Nothing. I don't know her. I never knew her name until the incident happened. I even invited her grandmother and asked her some questions. She left this palace hours ago. Iche, you know what I'm talking about. And I got what I need to get from her. I don't even know her family too well.
And what is that?
Igwe, we have heard you. But you must remember that time waits for no one. It's a long time ago. So I suggest you think. Try to think. You might remember something. And most importantly, that girl, I strongly believe there's something mysterious about her. There's something definitely mysterious about her. We have to find out. We must find out. I must find out.
It's okay. I've heard you all. I will think about it.
Thank you, Igwe.
Okay.
Thank you.
I want to know who this maiden is. I want to know.
Chizaba,
Yes, Your Majesty.
have you seen any of us? At least this, my wife Lolo, my son. At least you know my two daughters. Have you seen any of us anywhere before coming to work in this palace?
No, Your Majesty.
I want you to think very well, oh. Look at us very well, oh. Maybe you have seen one of them, my son or any of my daughters.
No, Your Majesty.
And the mama on the Jagwalo Bosi. Okay, you can go now.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Oh my goodness. You mean you've been going through all this since I traveled? Oh, my friend, you've really been through a lot, my dear friend. Eh?
You know, the man in question is no longer paying attention to any of us. Since the issue of who is going to wear the crown as the princess of this kingdom. That aside, something else bothers me a lot. Okay. There's this maiden. The other day, he warned my sister and I to stay away from a particular maiden. Even when she has done something wrong, we should not punish her. And I'm beginning to wonder why he would say that. I don't get this whole picture. I don't understand what is going on. I sincerely don't want to believe that he's interested in her because she's nothing. She's not royalty.
Well, that shouldn't be a problem at all. Maybe the reason he's acting that way is because of the way you treat your maidens, which I keep telling you. You need to mind how you treat those girls. You don't know what tomorrow holds, my friend.
Please. Tomorrow has nothing to do with them.
That's by the way. We need to talk about how you can claim your position as the crown princess of this kingdom.
Okay.
Now here's what you will do. If the prince can't come to you, then you will need to go to him. Yes. If Mohammed won't go to the mountain, then the mountain will come to Mohammed.
What do you mean?
All you need to do is to seduce him.
What? Please, stop it. Stop saying that.
You need to lure him to bed and make him get you pregnant.
Why will you say this? Have you forgotten the customs and tradition of this land? He can't touch me. He must marry me as a virgin. Else I will lose the position of the crown princess. And I don't want that to happen to me. Oh, please, if you don't have something else to say, let's just change the topic.
Listen to me. The same tradition says that every man or any man that sleeps or gets any maiden of the kingdom pregnant must get married to that maiden. All you need to do is to make the prince get you pregnant, lure him into getting you pregnant, and automatically the crown princess role is yours.
I think you have a point.
Of course.
You have a point. Why didn't I think about this all this while?
Oh.
I should have done it long ago.
And I'm sure that sister of yours might have thought about it. And before you know it, she's already pregnant and planning her traditional marriage with the prince.
Never. I am a smart woman.
Of course. I'll
trust
my
step
friend.
First. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm here for you.
I know.
Amara,
My princess.
have you seen Adako? Because since yesterday, she has been out of this palace. I noticed she's nowhere around this palace. Do you have an idea where she went to?
I don't really know, my princess, but I overheard her discussing with her friend yesterday about going to Okena's house to do something.
Go to Okena's house to do what exactly?
I don't know, but I heard something that has to do with seducing and pregnancy.
Gods of our land. Seduction and pregnancy? Oh, I see the plan. So Adako actually wants to go there, seduce him into impregnating her. That way she can be... No way. Not on my watch. I will not let it happen. You see, a child that says her mother will not sleep, she won't get any sleep either.
You see, my son, your late mother was a good woman, a wife material. it is hard for me to forget her. Very difficult. Her death remains a memory in my heart every minute of the day. Oh. When she died, after giving birth to you, I decided as a king that I should move forward. I cannot rule the kingdom without a wife by my side. I had to take a step and marry her best friend. I decided to take her because she's a best friend to your late mother. And she was coming to the house to take care of the house, doing everything, taking care of me. So I decided to marry her. And that was the beginning of the problem we are having in this palace. Can imagine a woman that gave birth to a set of twins and she could not identify the one that came out first. My son, the only joy I have today is having you as my son. Okay, look at Okenna. I know the agreement I had with his late father, that his son will marry to one of my daughters. Just look at what is happening today. The young man is feeling betrayed. He is seeing me as a liar, which any other person can do.
It's all right, Father. I thank the gods that I'm here for you. And I will do everything humanly possible to always make sure that you're happy.
Thank you, my son.
But Father, what can we do to stop Okenna from taking back his father's throne?
My son, the young man is not happy at all. He's already feeling betrayed. I suggest you talk to him. I believe he will listen to you.
All right, Father. I will do just that.
Please do. I really need peace in this palace. Whatever it will cost me to bring peace, I will do.
It's all right, Father. We're in this together, okay?
Mom! I am definitely going to commit murder in this palace today.
Commit murder?
Yes, Mom.
Why? What happened?
Can you imagine that useless thing that calls herself a Dako? She went to Okena's house since yesterday, and up until now, she's yet to be back, Mother. Can you imagine that idiot? I can't even believe it. Do you know what she's trying to do? She has gone to Okena's house to seduce him so he can sleep with her. By so doing, he'll get her pregnant. That way, she can cajole him into marrying her. And I will not stand for that. I will not try it. Instead, I will kill her.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Mom,
who told you that?
Mom, you know what? At this point, pick a spot. Because today, Mother, you are burying a daughter. And that's final.
Dima, come. Hold on. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Mother, do I look like I'm stupid?
Who told you this?
Mother, please.
Wait, hold on. I think, yes. I have not seen her since yesterday.
Oh, now you haven't seen her since yesterday. Mother, choose a spot because I'll be a mass burial in this palace today.
I know agree, you know agree, na him that ya shit you. This na kata kata, this na gidi gidi.
Father, I will make our time to go singing tomorrow.
It's okay. I wish you luck.
Thank you so much.
That will be fine. I wish you good luck.
I believe you understand me better.
Yes, young man to young man. He will listen.
No, don't stop me. Don't stop me. Leave me alone, mother. Come back here. Lima, stop there. Lock that gate. Lock that gate. I will not let her take my man from me. Mother, today I will teach her to respect me. She will not live to take another person's property. Today is the end of it. I am done. Lima, come back there. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. She wants to go and pour acid on her sister. Lima, lock that gate. She has to leave. Do not do that gate. Open that gate. I said open the gate. Open this gate. Get out of this place. Open this gate. Collect that thing from her. To teach her. Collect that thing from her. No. Yes, ma, collect it. No. Pick that thing from her. You want to collect that thing from her.
Lolo, leave her alone.
Do you understand me? Collect that thing from her. Collect it from her. Collect it. Mother. Collect that thing from her. Don't touch me. Collect it. Mother.
Hey. Give her back that acid. Go and pour it on your sister and rot in jail. Foolish idiot.
You better mind yourself.
Open the gate. I said, open the gate. Open the gate.
Dimma, do not do this to your mother.
Now who be that? Go. Why do you push me? You want to injure me?
You nitwit, are you senseless or
something? Madam, wait. Who you want to see yourself? This one I rush.
You stop me? Who is your father? Get out of my way, animal.
My God go punish you. 100,000 an hour. Idiot. Nah. What seems to know see forget, cha. My waist.
Yeah. Honestly, listen, this is totally unbelievable. She slept in my house yesterday. She's been trying to get me to touch her and, but I can't. I slept in the guest room. Yeah, my mother traveled. Man, these women are just something else. She's right there in the room. I can't do a thing like that. Come on. I think there's someone else. I'll call you back. Who's that?
Where is she? Where's she? Don't you dare pretend as though you do not know who I'm talking about.
Who are you talking
Where's
about?
that fool that wants to reap where she did not sow?
Your sister.
Oh, now you know who I'm talking about. She's been here since yesterday. And you both have been enjoying yourself as though life starts and ends with you. You've been giving it to her front, left, right, back, and center. Now where is she?
Point of correction. I have nothing to do with your sister. I have no sexual relationship with her. If you want to see your sister, she's in one of the rooms.
Where's the room?
All the way upstairs. Excuse me.
Big fool, where are you? Nitwit! Where is she? Oh, here you are. Princess and husband snatcher. What are you doing here?
Oh, no. I should take permission from him before coming to my husband's house.
Oh.
Are you mad?
You're asking me if I'm mad. I will tell you today that I came prepared. Come here. Look at this. Come downstairs. Come, let me finish it. Don't scatter my matrimonial home. You are your witch. I will teach you. I will come prepared for you today. Okay. You do not know that you get prepared. Hey! Come downstairs. Why do you want? When you think you're going to come down, you are going to
If I start with you, this place will not contain you. I said it will not contain you. I start with you. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you stupid? What do you think is wrong with you? You dare come to snatch my man? Are you mad? Because you're wearing big, come don't try me. I'll just do this. And that's all. And I'll be thinking, who are you? All this girl. All this Anna. Come to touch me. Come here and touch me. Hey, bring her up. Bring her. I will see you. You want to? Come back here. No. Come on, I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Okay, you want to kill your sister? I will kill before you kill me.
Hey! You want to kill me? Hey!
Are you mad?
No, no! Hey! Stop that! Hey! Somebody help! Hey! You want to kill her? I want to kill herself! Hey!
Look at both of you. Look at the kind of disgrace you are bringing to this royal home. Fighting in a man's house. A man that is not yet your husband. You claim he's yours. You claim he's yours. He has not even proposed to any of you. You have the guts to go to his house and fight. Adako, Dimma, I regret the day I gave birth to both of you. You are not ashamed of yourselves. Look at the way you are disgracing us and disgracing yourself. Fighting because of a man. You went to his house to fight because of him. A man that you want to get married to. Tell me, how do you think that after going to his house to disgrace yourselves, that he will have the mind to propose to any of you? It's not possible. Let me just advise both of you. Just forget it, because I am not seeing that marriage working out.
Lolo, I want you to tell me the bitter truth. Are you sure that these girls really have my blood?
I don't get it. Your Majesty, what is the meaning of that? What kind of question is that? Are you like trying to suspect that I sleep around? What kind of talk is that?
That has not answered my question. Answer me.
They are your blood. Have I answered your question?
Adako, Dimma, what are your problems? Why are you guys disgracing this royal home? Just look at the way you embarrass yourself in front of Okenna, a man that wants to get married to one of you. I am so disappointed in you guys. Father, I want to take some fresh air outside.
It's okay, son. I will join you soon.
Amara, get my jewelry from the car.
And you? What are you doing seated here? My friend, go and join her.
You are fighting for crown, fighting for position.
Your Majesty, please.
I've never seen anything like that before.
Are you serious?
Those girls are complete idiots. Can you imagine they fought right inside my bedroom? From my bedroom, they came down to the living room. From my living room, they went to the compound. They went outside the compound and began to fight. Can you imagine?
Are you serious? So who won the fight?
I don't know. I have no idea. I mean, I'm not a referee, am I?
Okay, but bro to bro, did you touch any of them?
Touch them? Come on. I can't do anything like that. Listen, Even if I was offered money, let's say $1 billion, to touch them, I won't. I can't. They are disgusting. Extremely disgusting. My focus right now is on Chizoba, the maiden. I strongly believe there's something special about that girl.
Bro, why do you keep going for a girl who's not to your standard? You keep talking about this Chizoba girl. Remember your father's wish. His wish is that you get married to the princess, one of Igwe's daughters. Eh?
I'm not interested in marriage now. And the truth is, the Igwe's daughters are disqualified. The crown rejected them, so what are you talking about? Listen, I'm going to appease my father's spirit. I will. I'll speak to the chief priest and tell him that I can't go ahead with those girls. It's impossible for me to do that.
My focus is on Chizoba. I need to identify who she really is. Do you understand? There's something really special about that girl, and I must find out.
I want to know.
Go and find out. That's what I'm going to do.
Maiden is. I want to know who this maiden is. Everything about her, I want to know.
Prince Okena, I want to talk to you. I know you're a young man like me and you will understand me better. I know you're not happy with what is going on at the palace. I am really sorry about that. It's not my father's fault. Prince Okena, I believe every disappointment is a blessing. You're a good man and you're a peaceful man. My stepmom and her daughters are trying to ruin everything for us. You saw what happened at your place a few days ago. I'm sure you don't want to end up with girls like that.
Prince Gideofo, you have spoken like a man, a real man. And I must commend your efforts to come over to speak with me. I was very disappointed. And like you rightly said, every disappointment is a blessing. And of course, I do not want to end up with women like that. However, I'm fine. I must stay hopeful. And please, I'd like you to speak to your father. Ask him to halt every Ofala preparation because I need to get back on my feet. And once I'm better, we would proceed. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Prince Okena. I've heard all you said.
You're welcome. Please, what can I offer you?
Oh, thank you so much, Prince Okena. I'm fine. And also, my sister extends her greetings to you.
How's she doing?
She's doing well.
Alright, I'll just get a few glass for us.
Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, Adaku, you messed up now. Eh? Why did you have to go there and fight? Now you've ruined the whole thing.
Excuse me. What do you mean? Do you even listen to yourself at all? So you expect me to allow her beat me up like a child? No way! I won't let that happen.
Okay, now that you went there and fought your sister, from the bedroom to the ballo, and all this while he was watching you guys do that, and you expect him to come and marry you? No way!
Hello? What are you even saying? What do you mean? Do I expect him to come marry us? Of course he's going to get married to us.
Do I have water in my mouth, Adako? There is no marriage between the both of you. Again.
Hey, you lie. The customs and tradition of this land said that he must marry from my family. So he's not going anywhere.
And endanger his life? Because tradition said so. He's not stupid now, come on.
Do you mean he will not come back for us again?
Do I have water in my mouth? There won't be any marriage between you and the prince again. It's as simple as that, my dear.
Father, from the way we spoke, it is obvious that he's no longer interested in getting married to the both of them. He said he will find a responsible lady in due time. Father, why are you sounding like that? This is not a good idea.
It's a very good idea.
Father, what about the agreements and traditions?
My son, the gods will not give you something that will kill you. Adako Ademma does not deserve a man like Okenna. That is the truth.
Father, are you really sure about this?
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine, it must be done. Cause life is a race. All man on his own. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring this. Don't be afraid to share your worries. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring destruction. Truth is life. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring destruction. Be careful in this life. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring destruction.
What are you doing in my room? Have you come to fight me? Get out. You know you're no match for me. Now get out of my room. Get out!
Sis, take a chill pill. I am not here to fight you. Rather, to make peace with you.
Peace? Peace, you say? Look, take a good look at what you did to me. And now you're spewing peace? Listen, Adako. Before I close my eye and open it, get out of my room. This minute.
Look at my face too. And yours. You know, I really feel stupid. You shouldn't have fought me at Okenna's house. Well, I'm really sorry. Trust me. You know, I've thought about this whole thing and I realized how much you mean to me, and you are also my older sister. So I am going to step down for you. So sister, you can have the crown and the Okenna too as your husband to be. I really miss you. I want us back as sisters.
Hold it right there. What sorcery is this? What tricks are you trying to play? If I understand you correctly, You're saying I can wear the princess's crown and also marry Okena?
You heard me correctly. You can have anything you want. Listen, Dima. We are so sisters. I miss you. I miss us.
Are you for real right now? Because I don't want it to look like you're just handing it to me.
Okay, hold on.
Do you agree that I am your elder sister?
Listen, if you're doubting me, you can go to our parents and tell them that we have reconciled and I have accepted you as my older sister.
Of course, let's go tell them. After you.
I'm sorry.
Till we tell our parents after you. Still behind you.
Let's go. Come on.
Don't touch me. Madam, let's go. Yes. Of course, my love. I'm coming right out. Oh, this one you're calling me with a private number. It's hidden. I'm going outside already. You see me soon, okay?
Dimma, how did it happen?
I got a call from an unknown number. And the person said he was okay now. He asked me to come. That we needed to go somewhere together. That I shouldn't come with my car, I should take a drop. And that later, he will come drop me at home by himself. So I went outside. Just outside the gate, a car drove speedily. It stopped right in front of me. Two men jumped out with guns in their hands and pushed me into the car. Took me to an unknown destination, Mom. And they took turns raping me, Mom. They took turns raping me, Mother.
I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Dimma, it's okay. Please put yourself together.
Dimma, I'm so sorry, Dimma. It's always a good idea to let people know your movements. You should have told Mom where you were going to.
Or even me.
Well, I'm glad you're safe. I'm really sorry about what happened.
Mother, I just want to die.
No. Dimma, don't say that. Don't say that. I feel so sorry. Sorry. You know, those men that raped you would never go unpunished.
Yes.
I am so sorry, please. Just take heart. Mother, can't you see? She's no longer a virgin. How do we bring this to your kidnap's table? Dimma, Mother, what's that? Dimma, hold on. Wait.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine.
Hey! So these girls can be this useless. Two sisters fighting in a man's house over a man. What sort of useless attitude is that? Was that how they were trained? They should count themselves lucky I was not here that day.
Mom, you needed to have seen what happened. It was very hilarious. Very, very terrible. In fact, they fought and fought and kept fighting. They started from the bedroom, came down to the living room, went to the kitchen, and ended up outside. They eventually finished themselves. It was terrible. I was just watching, I was like, what the hell is this? Were you girls raised at all? Oh, no. I can't imagine. It was very, very embarrassing. It was.
Okay, now that you have seen this fault of theirs, are you still going to marry one of them?
No. Hell no. I'm no longer interested. Listen, as a matter of fact, I'll speak to the chief priest. I'll tell him that, listen, you need to do some type of ritual, try to appease my father's spirit and tell him that, hey, I'm no longer interested. We'll have to find a way around this whole thing. Because I can't imagine ending up with a woman who's that physically strong.
Are you afraid?
No, it's not like, I'm not afraid, but like, no, I can't. She's too, she's tue abusive. Both of them actually, I can't.
Whatever you want to do, just do it quick.
Both of them are physically, no. I don't want to get beat up one day. Wise one. I'm here to ask about that girl at the palace by the name Chizoba. I need to find her.
Go and look for the girl's mother. She will tell you the truth. Everything that you need to know.
But wise one, I already met with her grandmother and she told me a few things about her.
Only the mother can tell you the truth about that girl. Go and look for her mother.
What do you think? Yes, no. Let's do that. We have to go. Yes, but I already met with her grandmother. Just do that. She told yes.
Where's the Namabi? Yana Maga did it. I get Buddhist take an enemy, did it. We told the number called you where.
I want to know who this maiden is. I want to know who this maiden is.
At times you surprise me with your attitude. We agreed on you going to see the chief priest on something important and you went there to discuss unimportant things. What is your problem? What do you even have with that girl? I thought we have passed that stage. Tell me, what do you want with that palace maid? Or is there something you're not telling me?
Mom, the chief priest said I must go in search of the girl's mother. She is in the right position to tell me who the girl is.
And if she tells you who the girl is, then what happens? Of course, the girl is from a poor background. If not, tell me why she should be in the palace as a maid. She should have been in the bank, working as a banker, or a doctor, or maybe a lawyer. But no, she is a palace maid.
Mom, I'll see you later.
Are you working out on me? Okay. So bad, you will come back and meet me in this house. No problem. Hey!
Baby, cause you're a target I always am at.
Mama, please. I need to see her in person. It's very, very important. Tell her to calm down. It's very important. Kindly send this money to her. When she comes, I promise to take care of her logistics.
Wait. You mean I should give her all this money for her transport?
Yeah, for her fare down to this place. Then when she comes, I'll take care of all the logistics. Please, it's very important I see her.
It's okay, my son. Don't worry. I will send your message across to her.
Thank you very much.
And I promise you, she's going to come.
No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome.
May the gods be with you.
And with you too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want to know who this maiden is.
All this money for transportation.
Know who this maiden is.
It's okay. I will send a message.
Everything about her, I want to know.
Mama, I would have loved to come. But there is no transport to come. Mama, you know, things are very hard. We hardly eat food though. I go di n'obodo. Mani yesili ike kita. Oh, that man sent 75,000 naira for you to send to me, Okay, oh. Don't worry, Mama. I'll come tomorrow. I will go meet you. Okay. Just send that money to my account. Ozibo bukwe no girl. Inugo. But who could that man be? Oh, God, I pray that man is the person you sent to help my family. Bikope.
I want to know who this maiden is.
So, you mean my daughter Chizoba had those dreams?
Yes. She did. And that's why I'm here to find out her true identity. Because something terrible happened. You see, no woman born of a woman touches the crown of the princess of this kingdom without being struck by the gods, except she has a royal blood. Your daughter put on the crown on her head and nothing happened to her. So who is she?
I know a time like this will come one day. And this is the time.
I beg your pardon? What time are you talking about?
Chizoba, my daughter, is the first daughter of the Ikwe, the princess of Amaze kingdom.
I'm sorry, what did you say? Chizoba, your daughter, is a daughter to the Igwe? No, that's unbelievable. That's impossible. Wait. If Chizoba is the Igwe's daughter, what is she doing in the palace as a palace maid?
What? Comfort. Mama, you never told me that Digwe is the real father of Chizoba, my granddaughter. It's now that you're saying it. Mama, you caused it. How? I will tell everybody what happened.
I knew there was something special about that girl. Imagine a princess serving in her father's kingdom, her father's palace. Unbelievable.
This life is full of signs and wonders. So now, from the palace maid to the princess of Amanze kingdom. Wow. Wow.
Mom, I have something important to talk to you about.
What is it?
But you'd have to do me a favor. It must be a secret between us.
Son, you know I will not say it to anybody. I won't even discuss it. But what about your friend? Won't he say it somewhere?
Don't worry about my friend. I'll take care of him.
Okay, if you say so. I zip it. Allah, come here, oh yeah. Take the key, do with it whatever you want. You're safe.
She had a situation. On her way to her boyfriend's place, she was oppressed by some guys and was taken to an unknown destination and she got raped.
Raped her?
Yes.
Oh. I'm so sorry to hear that.
It's okay. I also want to tell you that my sister is disqualified. She's no longer a virgin. So we should get married as soon as possible, my love.
Are you here to tell me your sister got raped? Or you're here to propose marriage to me? Which is it?
Both.
Very well then. I'll find time to come to the palace and see your father to that effect.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, my love. It's fine. I'll be on my way.
Igwe, may you live long.
Say.
Igwe, I bring good news. I'm here to inform you and your entire family that a date has been chosen for the marriage rite to be performed as tradition demands. Igwe, I want your entire family to prepare for this great event, as I have a surprise for the crown princess and my wife-to-be.
A surprise? I am super excited. I like to hear it. What is it? Do you want to buy me a luxury car? Or do you want to take me on a trip? Please tell me, what is it? Because I know it's going to be wonderful. Oh, Dima, I totally understand, okay? It's okay to cry. It's not your fault. Because I am still the virgin. And I am still intact. I am the wife to be. But, no, it's really a pity that Dima has lost her virginity. And those guys have raped you. They've really scattered your legs. I am so sorry, okay? Feel free to cry. It's okay. My love, what would you like to get me? Is it a G-Wagon? Because I like a red car.
Adaku, that's enough.
Oh, wait.
Don't tell you talk to your sister, that man.
But it's not my fault. I'm the virgin here.
Igwe, kindly extend my greetings to the chiefs in council. Tell them the good news. I'll be on my way now.
Ah, okay. I'll see you all.
No, that will be necessary.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Why are you embarrassing yourself? What is your problem?
Excuse me? Is it a crime to see my husband to be off to his car? Unlike some people who has lost their virginity.
Chizoba,
Yes, sir.
I'll be coming for the introduction and the coronation of one of the Igwe's daughters. I want you to be present on that day. But before you come, make sure you look good. Wear something really nice.
But sir, I don't understand. Would you want me to do something for you on that day? Because we always wear our uniforms.
Oh. It's okay. But just attend, okay?
Okay,
All
sir.
right, bye.
Bye.
Cha. Amaze kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwezonu.
I am so happy today because something good is about to happen in our great kingdom. Two things will happen today. One of my daughters will be crowned the crown princess of Amanze kingdom. Number two, and her marriage rights will be observed. Shall we proceed? Or no? Take over.
Hey, my friend, sit down. You shut up and sit down. I said sit down. You sit down. What is your problem? We have more important things to say than this your nonsense greeting. Okay, now you want to tell us something. Okay, now please talk to us. Oh, now talk to us. Now, Danya can go.
Igwe, may your days be long.
Like the king rightly said, two great things shall happen today.
That's true.
But before we proceed with the event, permit me to invite a friend to the royal family.
Please stand here.
Welcome.
Kindly address the congregation.
I greet you all.
No.
Before I say anything, I want to start from the Igwe. Your Majesty, do you say recognize me?
No, I don't remember you.
Are you sure?
He said he doesn't remember her. And you're asking, are you sure? Eh? What's the matter with you?
Rosalind, do you remember me? Can you name Muzimanya again?
Talk now.
Oh, you don't want to talk. Your Majesty, my name is Comfort, your former office secretary, whom you impregnated years ago.
What's that there?
Father,
you told me what you are passing through in your house. I sympathize with you. We had an affair and you got me pregnant.
You.
I think I remember you. You quit your job? Because I asked her not to abort the pregnancy? So, why did you kill the child?
I did not abort the pregnancy. I ran away to have my baby because when your wife found out that I was pregnant for you, she threatened to kill me with hired killers because she knew I knew all her secrets.
No. Rosa.
Rosalind, Your Majesty, you remember the lady I was telling you that faked a pregnancy to her husband and later told her husband that she was traveling to go and have her baby. And she came to the motherless home where I was working before I got a job in your company. And she adopted a set of twin baby girls. That woman is your wife sitting down here.
Rosa?
Rosa, I see.
Madam Comfort, what are you insinuating? Are you saying Adako and Demma are adopted children?
These children here, we are adopted.
No, that's not true. Mom. Mother. Okay, you can talk to me. What's going on? Today is my day. I am getting married.
Chizoba.
Is this true?
Chizoba.
Mother, no, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
I don't want to be like,
So
she won't come and leave not been like
the crown.
Igwe, this is the result of the affair we had. Chizoba here is your biological daughter. Chizoba, Igwe is your father. Okay. Igwe here is your father. Go and meet your father.
Mother, wait.
What is it?
You mean Igwe is my father?
Yes. Oh, Nai.
Princess.
Go and hug your father.
Hey. The princess of Amma is the kingdom.
Hey.
Ogene.
Ukwu akpọ na coat.
Ada zenne ya.
We now know the truth. Can we proceed with the marriage rites?
No, you cannot do it. No, all of you shut up. Today's
I'm a police. Police
Officer, what is going on?
Your Majesty, we are sorry for not notifying you before we came here. This your daughter, Adaku, hired the criminal and his cohorts to rape her own sister.
That's a lie. I don't even know him. Do I know you? Have we met before? I don't know you. Today is my day. I am supposed to wear this crown.
Hold it there. We after our investigation. The officer said to their crime.
Adaku, you hired this criminal and his gang to rape your own sister, your blood, your twin.
She's not your blood.
How could you? Don't touch me! What did I do to you?
Officer,
sir,
do your job.
Hey!
Thank you, sir. Move it.
Yeah,
Move.
Hold on.
I said move.
And let me explain.
I said move. Move.
Demma, you are not going with them. Officer,
sir,
take this too.
Okay.
Hey!
Move.
Stop wasting my time. Move. I said move.
Yeah, we have.
You better keep quiet.
I
Go now, enjoy your father. Enjoy your father. Go.
Don't touch me!
Yeah, move.
Hey, Lord. Okay. Lord.
Fear! I knew it. I knew that there was something bad about Rosie.
Igwe,
I was watching her.
you don't have much time left. May we proceed with the coronation?
Yes, sir.
Amara, why Ashi? This one you are moody. You know you are full of mischief, man. Eh? Kineche, another person next in line. You can no longer manipulate Chizoba again now. She's now the crown princess. So, can you help us with your plan this time?
Please stop. Okay? I'm no longer the same Amara used to know. I'm a changed person now. Please, I want you to help me and do something, please. You know Chizoba is your closest friend in this kingdom. I know you guys are very close.
She is my best friend. Guinea Weme.
Please, I want you to help me and beg her. Okay, I know I've wronged so many people in this palace, especially Chizoba, but please, I know if you talk to her, she will listen to you. Please. Please, just help me and beg her to forgive me. I promise, I'm a changed person. It will not happen again. Please, just help me.
It will be better for you to change, oh. It will be very, very better for you to change. Have you seen it now? Like I used to tell you, no one knows tomorrow. You have seen it. Chizoba is now the crown princess. At least it will serve as a lesson to you. When next you talk to people, you will know how best to talk to them.
Please.
And when next you treat people, you will know how to treat them well.
Please, just help me and talk to her. I know she will listen to you.
Anyways, I will help you. It's not a problem. I will talk to her on your behalf. I just pray she forgives you.
I know you for the fact you are the one that will talk to her, she will forgive me. Please don't forget, please. Beg her for me, please.
Che. Amanze kwenu. Yeah. Kwenu. Yeah. Kwezono.
I called us to officially inform us that the problem Amanze Kingdom has been facing has finally come to an end.
Secondly,
you all know her. She was once a maiden in this palace, but today she has found favor in the eyes of the gods. Today, she is now the crown princess of Amanze Kingdom.
Amanze kwenu. Amanze kwenu. Kwezono.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine, it must be done. Cause life is a race. All man on his own. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring this. Don't be afraid to share your worries. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring destruction. Truth is life. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring destruction. Be careful in this life. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring destruction. The worst that can happen to anyone is to see what you labored for all these years destroyed in a twinkle of an eye because of carelessness.